if you have elbow pain when you play golf, it could be golfer's elbow or tennis elbow. If your pain is right here on the inside of your elbow with your palm facing up, that's called golfer's elbow. And this is how you're going to stretch it. Elbow straight, hand pulled back, medium intensity stretch, and hold 30 seconds. Now, if your pain is on the opposite side with your palm facing down, that's what's going to be called tennis elbow. And the best way to stretch that is exactly the opposite. You're going to have elbow straight, palm coming back towards you. Again, medium intensity stretch, hold it for 30 seconds. Whichever one of those feels like a better stretch to you is the one you need to be doing more, but both of them are excellent for golf to make sure that you're avoiding elbow pain and you're not losing distance off the tee because of that pain.